What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we got a 2003 Lexus ES300 over here. It doesn't start, customer keeps jumping this vehicle and this thing is it's dead now. It's time to replace the battery. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery. So if you got a Toyota, Lexus, any vehicle, one thing you want to do is you want to save the memory on the vehicle, meaning you can connect another battery to it or a jump box, so as you take off the terminals it still has so it still has power on it, because once you disconnect the battery, it's going to be a total loss of power. I am not going to save memory on this one because this is completely dead. So let's just replace the battery. Simple 3 steps. Remove the bracket, remove the terminals, take out the battery, put the new battery in, put the new terminals in, and put the battery bracket in, and you're all done. Let's go. Okay, so on this battery, it has this bracket going across. I like to remove the 10mm over here. A lot of times this bolt will break, and you got another 10mm over here. So this hook is going all the way down. It's hard to see, but this thing is going all the way down. Okay, you see that? So I am gonna be removing it from back there. It's just like a little hook, and let me just loosen up this a little bit more, and I'll take my other light to see down there. Okay, and that thing will come right off. So this is what it looked like. This is the hook right here, so you guys can see this is a little guy. So it's just like hooked down there, so you just take it out of it and it comes right up, and then this will come right off, and this fuse box here is kind of like connected to it. So you can either take that off by pushing that tab, but I usually a lot of batteries don't have this little guy right here, and then I like to just kind of turn it to the, you know what, Lexus thing. Let's try to get that off by pushing that little tab. Should have done that first. It's kind of a little too late now. I didn't notice that being on the Lexus. A flathead will help you out a lot here. There you go. This guy will just come right off. So all you do is pushing this tab in. Okay, once you have that, let's take off the negative first. A lot of people will question that, what comes off first, and yes, negative comes off first. That way there's no, and this guy got a lot of stuff into this battery terminal here. Let's bring the camera a little bit to this side now. Okay, that will help everyone out to see better, and we'll bring our light this way also. So you see that little guy he has in there? It's not supposed to be there, but it is there. What can I do? I am gonna try to lift this terminal from the bottom up. There you go. That little guy is gonna fall. Okay, we're gonna just push this to the side here. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one. I'm gonna loosen the 10mm, and our terminal should be loose. And this side, right now it's dead on power, but if you got the jump box on, you can't let that positive touch anywhere because it will short circuit. Anyways, the battery comes out. That's how simple it is. And we'll take our new battery. We'll put that right in there. Perfect. Reverse procedure, if your terminal is looking real dirty, clean them out, okay? It's important you do that. I am gonna put the negative in first. I might gonna need this little guy, just the way he had it, which is probably not a good idea anyway. It might be time to replace a terminal. That's how I see it. I don't see it. That little guy has to be there. Okay, let's lock this up. Make sure it's nice and firm. Let's bring the positive over. There you go. I can hear already the car buzzing. Everything is back up to life. But since this car lost all power, it's gonna lose all memory, meaning there's gonna be no radio code. Worst part is the idle's gonna be really crappy. Let's put this guy in next. So have to kind of get this. See how complicated Lexus just made this battery replacement just by having this little guy there. Okay, there you go. So the little hook goes in next. I know it's a long video, but this battery change should be only like 5 minutes or less. I'm gonna put the two 10 millimeters on both sides. Well, that side already has it, so this side only. So we're pretty much done here. Let's come right over here. Look straight from top to bottom. And we're gonna lock this up. So if you lost idle, I do have a video on that. If you lost memory, all you need to do is let the car run with everything off in neutral. Make sure you put bricks in the block. Everything has to be anything that can suck power, that can make the idle go high. So that way it will take about, this is not electrical throttle body here on this one. So that's why I'm not worried about it. But if you have electrical throttle body, anything newer than 2003 and up, it's probably gonna have electrical throttle body. So make sure you look into that. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next one.